Welcome back to the Francois Entrepreneur Podcast. I'm Davidson. Do you feel stuck, constantly searching for new down payment cash for every investment property? What if I told you there's a proven strategy that lets you buy a property, build massive equity, and then get all your initial cash back out to buy the next one? It's not magic, it's a systematic approach used by top investors. It's called BRRRR. Today, we are unpacking the 5 revolutionary steps of the BRRRR method: buy, rehab, rent, refinance, and repeat. We'll show you exactly how to become your own private bank and scale your real estate portfolio faster than you ever thought possible. Stay with us, because this one will change your entire approach to real estate investing. The entire success of the BRRRR strategy rests on step 1: buy. You are not looking for a move-in-ready house. You are hunting for a distressed, undervalued property, a property where you can force massive appreciation through renovation. The key to buying right: you need to calculate the after-repair values. This is what the home will be worth after all the work is done. The 70% rule: many successful BRRRR investors live by the 70% rule. This states that your maximum purchase price should be 70% of the ARV minus the estimated repair costs. This crucial buffer ensures you have enough equity built in immediately to cover all your costs and still have capital left over after the refinance. If you can't make the math work here, you walk away. A great deal is bought, not found. Step 2 is rehab. This is where you transform the asset and drive up its value for the appraisal later on. Focus on return on investment. Don't waste money on personalized features. Focus on repairs and upgrades that have the highest return on investment (ROI). Think modern kitchens, updated bathrooms, fresh paint, and high-quality, durable flooring. These improvements appeal to future appraisers and tenants. Speed is money. Every day your property is under renovation is a day it's not generating income. Create a tight budget and a swift timeline. You want to move quickly and efficiently from a distressed property to an attractive, stabilized asset. Once the rehab is done, we move to step 3: rent. This step is critical because the bank won't refinance a speculative property, they refinance an income-producing asset. Tenant quality matters. Secure high-quality tenants with strong lease agreements. The rental income not only provides cash flow, but also proves to the lender that the property is a stable investment. Rent, ready for the lender. Lenders will often require the property to be occupied, or at least have executed leases, before they'll approve the refinance. This is the market proof that your hard work and investment have paid off. Step 3: refinance, the capital recycler. This is the BRRRR step that separates portfolio builders from one-off investors. Refinance. You're getting a new, long-term loan based on the property's new, higher after-repair value. The cash out refi, you will pursue a cash out refinance. The bank sends an appraiser who sees your beautifully renovated, tenant-occupied property and values it at the high after-repair value you targeted. They will then lend you up to 75% or 80% of that new appraised value. Recycle your capital. The cash you receive from this loan is used to pay off the initial short-term financing you used to buy and rehab the property. If your numbers were calculated correctly with the 70% rule, you should receive enough cash back to recoup your initial down payment, rehab costs, and closing costs. You now own a cash-flowing asset, and your original cash is back in your pocket. Think about that power for a moment. You started with a chunk of money, you applied the BRRRR process, and now you own a stabilized, income-producing asset, and you have your original money back. You didn't lose any capital, you recycled it. That's how you break free from the traditional saving up for the next down payment cycle. The BRRRR method is the blueprint for aggressive, strategic portfolio growth. Are you ready to stop saving for your next property and start recycling for it? Hit the subscribe button right now. Every week, we break down strategies just like ours to help you become a Francois entrepreneur. Don't miss the next step in this journey. Take action today. Check our new book, The Beginner Blueprint for Real Estate Investing. I'm Davidson, and your financial freedom is waiting for you at the other end of the BRRRR cycle. See you next time.